Okay, my people, welcome to a new video. So it's no news that the federal government of Nigeria has banned Binance, one of like the biggest exchanges in Nigeria and the world. So according to them, they said that Binance was pushing money, like a lot of money, and they don't actually know the people who are pushing this money. I guess the federal government was trying to get the users or people that use this Binance platform, and I don't know if Binance didn't want to comply or something, and they just banned Binance. So I believe we all have this collective problem of trying to sell our crypto for Naira, and we can't actually do it, and it has kind of been a pain in the ass. I know some people are like, yeah, there are other platforms like Bybit, KuCoin, and the rest, and my mindset is that for how long? Because if they can come for Binance, they can come for anybody. So this video is just to like add to the arsenal you have already called KuCoin, already called Bybit. I haven't tried these platforms before, but a lot of people say that yes, you can swap your USDT or your crypto to Naira. But I just discovered this site and I want to show you guys. So probably like you can add this to your arsenal, in case anything happens, and you can still have the option of swapping your USDT to Naira. So let's get straight into the video. So this site is called noones.com. I saw it from an influencer that is actually based outside the country, in Dubai or something. I don't know the place, but he shared this with a lot of us, and it's like, this can actually help. Let me put it like that. So the only problem with this site is that you can't access it from Nigeria. You can't use your like normal just connect to your Wi-Fi and put the website and it goes straight to the site. No, you have to use a VPN here. You have to use a VPN. If you look at my screen, you can see I'm using a VPN. I'm using PIE, and I'm connected to Germany. And why I'm connected to Germany is because like the US is not accepted to Dubai, some European countries, I guess. So I'm just connected to Germany. So try to connect to, let me say, Europe or some other African countries if you can, and then you can access the site. So when you come here, obviously you don't have an account here, so definitely you have to click on join us. So I already have an account here, so I'm going to log in. Just when you click on join us, I believe it's basically easy to just set up, just like you setting up any other like crypto exchange or something, but this is more like a P2P platform. So I'll click on login and I'll log in into the website. And I like the UI. The UI is giving crypto. I won't lie, it's giving crypto vibes. So I'll just put my so you can log in, or you can create an account with your email, your phone number, whatever you want. And I'll just continue with the password. Now I already have a 2FA set. It's actually good for you to set up your 2FA whenever you're working with crypto platforms, so you have at least multiple ways to access your wallets. You get what I'm saying? So I want to put my 2FA code 77174. Okay, what happened? Why did you go back? Why did it go back? Why did it go back? Okay. Okay, 2FA 892222. Okay, so we are finally logged in. Finally. I was going back. So as you can see here, it's saying online users 2,880, total liquidity. They have traded 462 million USD that fast. Okay, so this is basically how the platform is. This is basically how it is. So probably when you come, you won't have any funds here already deposited and traded, and that's why I'm trying to share this with you guys. So I would advise you to just go to settings or so. Okay, I advise you to go to like my profile and like set up your profile, or probably create a name, put your what do you call it, your 2FA, all those little things you can do. As you can see here, my last IP is Germany. Like I said, you can't access this with your Nigerian IP. You actually need a VPN to access this site. And now, if you want to sell, let's go to like the main sheet. If you want to sell, and I won't advise you to like try this with big funds. For now, I tried with $20. You can see this is like my last trade, and it went through. The person actually paid me, and I released the crypto for the person. It went through, so it's okay. But I won't advise you to like try with so much funds first. Just try with some. You need fast Naira and stuff like that. And maybe the other platforms are not working, you can just try with this and see whether it works for you. Now, how do you sell? The first thing you're going to do is fund your wallet. So you should, where do I fund my wallet? You should click on wallets. Click on wallets. Now it shows you Bitcoin, USDT, USDC and Ethereum. Now obviously USDT. So you click on receive, and then there's a Tron network and Ethereum network. Definitely Tron network is cheaper, so you just scan it and you send funds, and in less than no time you get your funds and you see it here. Now you want to sell, what do? You go to marketplace and go to OTC Classic P2P. So that's it. And on this platform, it also feels like, I've not tried it actually, but you can sell gift cards for crypto. As you can see, you sell gift cards for crypto. I haven't tried it though, but it's also possible. Now, when you come here, this is on the buy side. If you want to buy, it's pretty much the same way. I haven't tried the buy option here, but I believe it can go because a lot of people are actually using the platform right now. So, if you want to buy, let me just go to the sell right now. But if you want to buy, it's pretty much the same thing. But I feel like there's more risks in buying because you're the one paying the money and hoping the other party, the guy at the end of the at the other end of the trade pays you. But here's the catch: they'll keep the money in escrow. That's this platform will keep the money in escrow. And if you have proofs that okay, you have made payments to this person and stuff like that, they can actually check to verify and release the crypto for you. So it's kind of a little bit safe, but just try money that's like not so much money input like that. So you go to the sell part if you want to sell, and then you click on USDT. Why I prefer the sell is because on this platform is that at least I'm on the side. I'm waiting for, if the guy doesn't pay me, I won't release the crypto. You get? So, but on the buy side, I don't know, you may be taking some risks, but this platform can actually help because they keep stuff in escrow and they demand that okay, have you paid? If you can lay out proofs that you have done this thing, then probably they can give you back the crypto. But selling for me is like a little bit not taking so much risks. So you click on USDT, that's when your funds have arrived, and then you click on amount I want to get. You click on Naira. You want to get Naira. When you're setting up a profile, you should have like added your bank account. You should have added your bank account. So yeah, it's asking you what type of way do you want to accept the money, or select the payment method you want. This bank transfers, this debit cards, gift cards. You get a lot of payment methods, but you choose bank transfer, and then it brings out people that are selling and the price they are selling. Now this is what you watch out for. Now as you can see, this guy is selling, was online an hour ago. He has 285 likes. It's high, but it's not that high. I know people here that have like 10,000 likes, 6,000 likes. So go for the guys that have like at least 5,000 likes and above. but he doesn't have any bad stuff. His trading rate is from 18,000 to 6 million, so obviously your money falls into that category, and he's selling for 1,590. So you just come here and look for the guys. I'm sure that probably, because I'm recording this video very early, this is like 4 a.m. in the morning, so a lot of traders are not online right now. A lot of traders are not online right now. Look at this guy, he's online, he's active now. He has like 420. So I won't be trading now, I'll be trading like by 8 o'clock in the morning, afternoon, and stuff like that. So by that time you see traders that have more likes and they do enough volume and like they are more credit worthy, let me put it like that. And let's say, let me just go for this guy. I'm not selling anything right now. So you click on this guy, you click on sell your USDT, and as you can see, my bank account is already added here. My bank account is already added here. You should add your bank account when you are creating your profile. Now you enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. Let's say I want to sell 20. Remember, you need to know the minimum the guy or the person you are trying to trade with is specified there, the minimum account. Okay, like you see here, the minimum is 15,000, so 20 USD is like 31,000, so it fits into this place. Now once you put it, remember you should have the money in your wallet. You should have this amount of money you want to sell in your wallet. Once you put it, it shows you the equivalent in Naira. You can click on the account or the bank you want to receive the money, and then this box will start green. Why this place is not showing green, or this button is not showing green right now, is because I don't have this amount of money in my wallet. Now this place will show green, and you just click on start trade. And if you have ever used P2P before, like if you have used BINANCE before, it's the same thing. Once you click on start trade, you can text with this person, and you see the time the person has to actually pay you, and when the person pays you, he will notify you, or she will notify you that, yeah, I've paid, release coin, and then you can check the amount of money in your bank account, and if you have received it, then you can release the coin. Please, if someone pays you, release the coin for them. Don't hold back to people's coin. Thank you. Anyway, it's a nice platform. I'm still checking it out, but I just want to put it out there. Like I said, this can be one of the things in your arsenal, especially with the crypto clampdown going on in Nigeria. And remember, you can't access this site without a VPN. So the link to this site will be in the description below and in the comment section. So if you want to use it, probably it's going to have an affiliate link by the side of it. So please, I'm not sure it's gonna cost you so much, but I believe this platform is like an amazing platform. It's nice UI and stuff like that. I also pay it last, so at the end of the day, just go try it if you want. So please, if you like stuff like this, don't forget to give us a like on this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next one.